To support it, I used to put PVC pipe in these holes here, but over time they sagged, and so I ended up just getting the Toyota accessory that's a net. It's harder, so it doesn't bend, and it works really well actually. So underneath, there's you kind of have to brace it a lot, otherwise that plywood's going to bend. Basically I had to, if you can tell here, needed something for it to rest on, so there's this cutout all the way. It's extra 2 inches or so. That way it can rest on here, plus on the back. In order to keep it from sliding, you have to, let's see, to support it here. I don't know if it's visible or not. Let me pull it out real quick. It's kind of big. So here's the underside. In order to keep it from moving, you have to have this in here. That way the poles here and here keep it from moving, because whenever you brake, this thing could slide a lot. And then these are just to actually keep it from bending. So then it just goes in. I mean, here's the profile of it. Like that. And again, I had to custom canvas it. So staples, hot glue here, hot glue anywhere that there was gonna be a corner or an edge. So hot glue here as well, and here. And this thing works really, really well. And then if you use the net accessory from Toyota, specifically for the RAV, you have a little hiding area underneath, and that's really awesome. And I basically made it that way I could split my storage area up into two. You get more places to put stuff for camping gear, so that's the main reason I made it. So hope this helps. I know I was hoping that there was something out there on the interwebs, but there wasn't, so I had to make it myself. So good luck if you decide to make your own.